Hey guys! Welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a Euphoria inspired makeup look. These looks from Euphoria are very trending right now. If you guys don't know what Euphoria is, it's basically a show. They have really cool makeup looks. Ones that attract me the most are the ones with the little rhinestones, jewels, and sparkle. So today I'm going to be recreating one of the looks. I will insert it right here. So this is the look that I want to recreate, but instead of blue, we're going to do a pink look. You guys know pink is my favorite color, and I want to do that look but in pink. If you guys want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the makeup. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B as always, and I'm going to be using this hot pink right here. That's my favorite shade in the whole palette. So I'm thinking of packing it on first, and then I'll blend it out. Hopefully I don't get any fallout because I already did my face makeup. I usually do it after I do my eyeshadow. But for today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start with my face makeup. Probably a bad idea. And well, the good thing about these Euphoria looks is that they're not perfect. It's like not too much, but it is too much at the same time. But they're very easy to recreate. I just have never done this kind of like. I'm going to take this shade right here. So I need a pink base, which is the one I'm using right now. Oh, this is cute already. My Norvina palette from Anastasia, and I'm taking this shade, and that one is called Wild Child. And I'm also going to take my glitter glue from Too Faced. Wild Child is gonna go right here. She is wild. So this is the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm not going to do a wing though because I'm trying to go with the look. So I'm not going to feel like me today, but it's fine. I'm using my Shop Miss A liquid liner. And if you guys want to know more about this $1 eyeliner, it's very good, you guys. If you guys are interested in knowing more about it, go watch my Shop Miss A haul. I will leave it in the little cards and maybe in the description box. But yeah, it is good for $1. Now I'm gonna start lining under my eye. Okay, so now comes the good part, which is for the rhinestones. I'm using these nail rhinestones. So I'm gonna do the light pink. So I'm taking my glitter glue. I used to do this already, you guys. Last year, I did it a lot. I haven't done it that much this year because I barely have time to do my eyeliner. So I barely do my makeup for school. So I'm only doing this because it's the weekend, you guys. Or else I wouldn't be doing this. This takes time, you guys. So I'm gonna like speed it up and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I'll be right back with the other eye. I feel like this one I did it too far and I used too many. But you know what? It's fine because it's super cute. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyes. I threw on some dramatic lashes to make up for the wing liner. But now I'm going to do my lips, and well, I'm going to line my lips with this NYX Suede matte lip liner. What color? What shade is it? In Whipped Caviar. gonna go in with this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Christmas Cookie. Okay, I like it. You guys, this was a Euphoria inspired makeup look. It wasn't exactly. You guys, this pink look, like, I love it. I can't stop staring at it. I feel like we need some more blush. This is when the look goes wrong. I'm so in love with blush. I always get carried away. But I feel like we need a pink cheek moment, you know? You guys, I love it. What do you guys think about this look? I love it, you guys. Super cute, super me. If you guys want to see some pictures of this makeup look, go to my Instagram. My Instagram will be linked down below in the description box. Guys, I'm doing short makeup tutorials on there too, so don't forget to go follow my Instagram. And well, yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed it. I haven't been on YouTube for like 2 weeks and I miss it, you guys. This is what I do for fun. This is my hobby, you guys. So hopefully I can film some more videos this weekend. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell so you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video. So we're being honest, we don't know when I'm gonna post. So turn on your post notifications so you guys won't miss any videos when I do post. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you guys like this look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!